Okay guys, so this is a second 4K resolution test video. I am recording onto the SD card. Audio is provided by microphone attached directly to camera. And right now I have a 56 LED cheap ring light. I mean, it's the type of ring light that you usually get with cheap microscopes. Under no circumstance you're gonna be using this ring lights. Probably most people usually update this light, and microscope is pretty high from the table. It's 0.5 barrel lens. So right now you're at maximum zoom, and let's zoom all the way back in. Let's zoom on this transistor over here. Let me focus myself first, and then I'm gonna focus you guys. So I'm focused, and you pretty much focused. Camera is on default settings. Right now in eyepieces I actually see much darker picture than you see on your monitors. So let's zoom out a little bit. I want to take off this chip right here. We took it in previous test video. I'm gonna take it apart, take it off one more time right here, like that. So first let's do soldering iron, just so that camera does not vibrate, because when I turn on the fish tank, the hot air is going to vibrate. So you are pretty focused, and I am as well. Okay, so let's take this chip off using hot air. Let me zoom out a little bit more. Like that is good, I think. Let me focus myself and then focus you. And let's take it off. This ring light that I'm using, the stock one, the 56 LED, if you don't use barrel lens, it is pretty good. But as you know, you're gonna be using barrel lenses in order to solder. So it gets darker when you move away from the actual board a little bit. Let's take this off as well. So that's why you update your lights. I should probably get a different scissor for this one. yeah, I think this is gonna be it for this test. Oh, maybe you can zoom out on this one like this. Okay, so this is it for this test number 2.